When we shot our video on wheel locks, we got a lot of comments about how we are a no judgment zone. And I'm glad you feel comfortable with our videos. I'm Rick Smith, and this is Mercie J Auto Care. So if you've ever asked a question on the internet and then kind of got criticized because it seems silly, I want to encourage you, that is not the case. The automotive world can be very confusing, and so there are no silly questions. So we encourage you to always ask us. So here's a perfect example. I was an ASCD certified master technician. I was working for Pontiac and GMC, and then I made a shift in my career and I went to Nissan. So I brought all the books home and started studying the Nissan product. And by the way, that is before the internet, so I know how old I am. But I noticed an acronym in there was ASCD. And I thought, what in the world is ASCD? Well, at Nissan, ASCD is automatic speed control device. At General Motors, it's cruise control. So a simple thing like that, a master tech didn't know the answer to. So please feel free to ask us any questions you want. And I hope you've enjoyed this. And until next time, safe travels and blessings to you.